Diego Armando Maradona was an Argentine professional football player and coach, widely considered one of the greatest players in the history of the sport. Born in a poor neighborhood in Buenos Aires, Maradona began playing football at a young age and quickly gained a reputation for his skill and technique on the pitch. Maradona's professional career began in Argentina with Argentinos Juniors before he moved to Boca Juniors. He then played for FC Barcelona and SSC Napoli, where he became a legend, leading the team to two Serie A titles, a Coppa Italia, and a UEFA Cup. He also led Argentina to victory in the 1986 FIFA World Cup, where he scored one of the most famous goals in football history, known as the Hand of God goal. Maradona was known for his exceptional dribbling skills, quick acceleration, and ability to score goals from seemingly impossible angles. He was also known for his off-field antics and struggles with addiction, which contributed to his early retirement from professional football at the age of 37. After his playing career, Maradona became a coach, leading the Argentine national team to the quarterfinals of the 2010 FIFA World Cup. He also coached several club teams, including Boca Juniors, Al Wasl FC, and Dorados de Sinaloa. Maradona's legacy is still felt in the world of football, and he is remembered as a true icon of the sport. His talent and passion for the game inspired countless fans around the world, and his impact on the sport will continue to be felt for generations to come. Maradona's impact on the sport of football extends far beyond his on-field achievements. He was an inspiration to millions of fans around the world, particularly in his home country of Argentina, where he was a national hero. Maradona's personality and charisma made him a beloved figure in the football community. He was known for his quick wit and sense of humor, and his interactions with fans and the media were often filled with playful banter and jokes off the field. Maradona had a complicated personal life. He struggled with addiction throughout much of his career and had several well-publicized run-ins with the law. Despite these struggles, he remained a beloved figure among fans and was widely respected for his contributions to the sport. Maradona passed away on November 25, 2020, at the age of 60 from a heart attack. His death was met with an outpouring of grief and tributes from fans, players, and coaches around the world. In Argentina, his death was declared 3 days of national mourning, and thousands of fans gathered to pay their respects. In conclusion, Diego Maradona was a truly iconic figure in the world of football. He was a master of the game and an inspiration to millions of fans around the world. Despite his personal struggles, his legacy as a player and coach will continue to inspire future generations of footballers. In addition to his impact on football, Maradona was also a symbol of hope and resilience for many people around the world, particularly those from disadvantaged backgrounds. He often spoke openly about his own struggles with poverty and used his platform to advocate for social justice and equality. Maradona's legacy has been celebrated in numerous ways since his passing. In Argentina, a statue of Maradona was erected in his hometown of Buenos Aires, and a street was renamed in his honor. Across the world, football stadiums and sports facilities have been named after him, and he has been the subject of countless books, documentaries, and films. Maradona's impact on the sport of football cannot be overstated. His talent, charisma, and passion for the game continue to inspire fans around the world, and his legacy as one of the greatest players in the history of the sport will endure for generations to come.